Hi Mariners, this is Mohan Das with FPFF, Refresher FPFF, AFF, Refresher AFF, Exit Exams, Questions and Answers Consolidated, 100% Pass, August 2023. I am giving 300 questions and answers, which is more than enough for all these 4 exams. You learn them, remember the answers. Question number 1. Which of the following colors allow you to identify a foam fire extinguisher? Answer: cream. Question number 2. Which of the following colors can be found in a band above a wet chemical fire extinguisher? Answer: yellow. Question number 3. A dry powder fire extinguisher can be found with a dash band above it. Answer: blue. Question number 4. Which of the following colors is used to indicate foam fire extinguisher? Answer: red and cream band. Question number 5. A band of dash is displayed above a fire extinguisher that contains carbon dioxide. Answer: black. Question number 6. Water fire extinguishers have a dash located above them. Answer: red colored band. Question number 7. The area you must assemble in the event of a fire is called. Answer: the fire assembly point. Question number 8. To safely enter a compartment where CO2 has been released from a fixed extinguishing system, you should. Answer: wear a self-contained breathing apparatus. Question number 9. Which of the following types of materials is responsible for fueling a Class A fire? Answer: wood, plastic, paper, and other kinds of solid materials. Question number 10. Fires that are fueled by dash require you to use water fire extinguishers in order to fight them. Answer: solid materials such as wood, paper, and textile. Question number 11. Wood, plastic, and paper or which of the following? Answer: Class A materials. Question number 12. Portable fire extinguisher is designed to put out dash effectively. Answer: small fire. Question number 13. What type of fire extinguisher should you use in order to extinguish a fire caused by solid materials such as wood, paper, or textile? Answer: water. Question number 14. A foam type portable fire extinguisher would be most useful in combating a fire in answer flammable liquids. Question number 15. A foam type portable fire extinguisher is most useful in fighting a fire in answer oil drums. Question number 16. A fire starts in a switchboard due to a short circuit. This is which class of fire? Answer class C. Question number 17. A fire in a pile of canvas is classified as class answer A. Question number 18. A fire in a pile of dunnage would be classified as class answer A. Question number 19. A fire in trash and paper waste is classified as class answer A. Question number 20. A large oil fire on the deck of a ship can be fought most effectively with answer foam. Question number 21. Any extinguishing agent used on a class C fire must have which important property? Answer non-conductivity. Question number 22. A stored pressure water extinguisher is most effective against fires of class answer A. Question number 23. A portable foam in brackets stored pressure type fire extinguisher would be most useful in combating a fire in answer oil drums. Question number 24. Wood, plastic and paper are classified as answer class A. Question number 25. Class B fire extinguishers are used to put out combustible metal and metal alloy fires. Answer false. Question number 26. If a cream colored band is located over the fire extinguisher, it indicates that the fire extinguisher is which of the following? Answer foam. Question number 27. Which type of fire extinguisher do you use to fight an electrical fire if a carbon dioxide extinguisher is unavailable? Answer dry powder. Question number 28. Dash fire extinguishers are specifically designed in order to tackle a class F fire. Answer wet chemical. Question number 29. If there is a black colored band above the fire extinguisher, what does the color of the band tell you? Answer that this extinguisher is a carbon dioxide fire extinguisher. Question number 30. Titanium and aluminium materials can be classified under which of the following categories? Answer: category D. Question number 31. While you are using a fire extinguisher containing carbon dioxide, what happens to the nozzle? Answer: it becomes extremely cold. Question number 33. What do the words spontaneous combustion mean? Answer: the substance can catch fire by itself without an external source of heat or ignition. Question number 34. Quick closing valve can be operated from a remote location. Answer: true. Question number 35. A class A materials do not include which of the following? Answer: propane materials. Propane is LPG gas. Question number 36. The fire signal on a ship must be a continuous blast of the whistle or electrical bell for not less than dash seconds. Answer: 10 seconds. 10. Question number 37. Fire watch should be performed during and after all hot work activities. Answer: true. Question number 38. In accommodation, the automatic sprinklers shall come into operation within the temperature range. Answer: 68 degree to 79 degree Celsius. Question number 39. The lowest temperature at which the heat from the combustion of a burning vapor is capable of producing vapor to enable combustion but not sustaining is? Answer: fire point. Question number 40. In a mixture of flammable vapor and air, if there is too much vapor and not enough air to support combustion, we say the mixture is? Answer: too rich. Question number 41. When is it required for a portable carbon dioxide fire extinguishers to be recharged? Answer: whenever used for demo or to fight fire on board ships. Question number 42. The fire assembly point can be best described as? Answer: an area where you are required to assemble in the event of a fire. Question number 43. CO2 portable extinguisher fitted in accommodation should have dash of liquid. Answer: 4.5 kg. Question number 44. When you see a fire on the work site, what is the first thing you should do? Answer: sound the fire alarm. Question number 45. During a fire, the means of communication? A. Messengers. B. Telephones. C. Walkie-talkie. Answer D. All of the above. Question number 46. Where should you go if you hear the fire alarm going off? Answer: to the fire assembly point. Question number 47. Who has the authority to pull the fire alarm after discovering a fire on the work site? Answer: anyone who has seen a fire can activate the fire alarm. Question number 48. Which of the following is correct when it comes to the type of fire extinguishers you should avoid while fighting a fire in a confined space? Answer: carbon dioxide and dry powder fire extinguishers should not be used. Question number 49. What is the maintenance schedule for a sprinkler system on board? Answer: weekly and yearly. Question number 50. Why is it important that you tend the nozzle when you have finished using a fire extinguisher containing carbon dioxide? Answer: because the nozzle gets extremely cold, making it impossible to use. Question number 51. Which ship shall be provided with international shore connection for supply of water as extinguishing media? Answer: all ships of 500 GRT and upward. Question number 52. At what point do you sound the fire alarm? Answer: as soon as you see it. Question number 53. Fire detector principle of operations could be based on A. bimetallic strip, B. fusible links, C. quartzite bulb. Answer: D. all the above. Question number 54. A hot permit allows you to answer: carry out work that can potentially cause a fire. Question number 55. You should always check closed doors for heat before opening them. Answer: true. Question number 56. You should use a dry powder fire extinguisher in order to fight in an electrical fire only in the event of. Answer: a carbon dioxide fire extinguisher is unavailable. Question number 57. Fire of carbonaceous substances is known as. Answer: class A fire. Question number 58. Which of the following is true about dry powder fire extinguishers? Answer: you should avoid using them in confined spaces. Question number 59. Fire blankets are used for answer smoothing of fire. Question number 60. After using a carbon dioxide fire extinguisher, the nozzle gets extremely cold. This is a sign that answer you should not use it. Question number 61. What type of permit is needed in order to carry out work that could potentially result in a fire breaking out on the work site? Answer: a hot permit. Question number 62. What fixed firefighting medium do we normally use in the engine room, pump room and other spaces? Answer: CO2 flooding system. Question number 63. What type of fire extinguisher would you use on a fire that is categorized as a class F fire? Answer: wet chemical fire extinguisher. Question number 64. Structural fire protection refers to the passive measures taken to answer limit the risk and spread of fire. Question number 65. An important step in fighting any electrical fire is to answer de-energize the circuit. That means you will have to switch it off. Switch off the power supply. Question number 66. A squeeze grip type carbon dioxide portable fire extinguisher has been partially discharged. It should be answer labeled empty and recharged as soon as possible. Question number 67. What quantity of reserve fuel is to be available for diesel driven fire pumps outside the main machinery space? Answer: sufficient amount for 15 hours operation at full capacity. Question number 68. After using a CO2 portable extinguisher, it should be answer recharged. Question number 69. You are carrying out a search in a smoke filled compartment wearing breathing apparatus BA. At what stage should you start to make your way out of the compartment? Answer: wait until the BA set warning whistle sounds. So SCBA has got 30 minutes of air. At 20 minutes you will get this whistle. Question number 70. A B3 foam extinguisher contains answer 12 gallons of foam. Question number 71. Watertight sliding steel doors used below the waterline must be able to close in 45 seconds or less when the ship is in upright condition. Answer: false. Within 60 seconds is SOLAS FSS code regulation. Question number 72. A definite advantage of using water as a fire extinguishing agent is its characteristic of? Answer: rapid expansion as water absorbs heat and changes to steam. Question number 73. What is the requirement for escape route opening? Answer: must be capable of opening from the direction for which escape is required. Question number 74. A vessel of not more than 65 feet in length must have a collision bulkhead if it carries more than, answer, 49 passengers. Question number 75. A B2 fire extinguisher has a minimum capacity of, answer, 10 pounds of dry chemical. Question number 76. Fire can be caused on board a vessel by, answer, faulty electrical leads. Question number 77. A vessel must have at least 2 firemen's outfits aboard if she, answer, has more than 49 people on board. Question number 78. If you are the first person to discover a fire, what should you do? Answer: activate the fire alarm. Question number 79. A spanner is a, answer, special wrench for the couplings in a fire hose line. Question number 80. Which fire detection system is actuated by sensing a heat rise in a compartment? Answer: automatic fire detection system. Question number 81. A CO2 portable extinguisher is annually checked by, answer, weighing the extinguisher. Question number 82. Portable fire extinguishers are available only CO2 and foam. Answer: false. You have portable for all the 5 classes of fire. Question number 83. A foam type portable fire extinguisher would be most useful in compacting a fire in, answer, flammable liquids. Question number 84. For fighting fire on the deck of a tanker, system used is, answer, low expansion foam. Here the tanker means oil tanker and chemical tanker. Question number 85. A fire of escaping liquefied flammable gas is best extinguished by, answer, stopping the flow of gas. Question number 86. A concentration of only dash percentage will induce rapid unconsciousness. Answer: 10%. And they are meaning carbon monoxide maybe. The gas is not mentioned here. Question number 87. A fire in the galley always poses the additional threat of, answer, a grease fire in the ventilation system? Question number 88. Fire patrol should use their senses touch, smell and sight to identify fire. Answer true. Question number 89. A fire hose with a nozzle attached must be connected to each hydrant except when exposed to heavy weather or when the answer fire hose might be damaged by cargo operations. Question number 90. Violent flames and heavy black smoke is typical of which sort of fire? Answer fuel oil fire. Question number 91. Oxygen powered resuscitator is driven by pressurized gas delivered by a regulator and can be either automatic or manually controlled. Answer true. Question number 92. As an extinguishing agent, foam, answer, conducts electricity. Foam and water will conduct electricity. That is why you should not use these two agents, foam and water, on an electrical fire. You should not use. Question number 93. Fire is characterized by answer heat. Question number 94. All of the following are part of the fire triangle except answer electricity. Question number 95. Designated fire exits will always be marked with a green exit sign and will be lit from within to ensure visibility. Answer true. Question number 96. A fire hose has a answer male coupling at the nozzle end and a female coupling at the hydrant end. Question number 97. In case of fire on the electrical motor, first thing to do is answer sound alarm, stop the motor and extinguish using CO2. Question number 98. An advantage of an ABC dry chemical over a carbon dioxide extinguisher is answer the multi-purpose extinguishing ability. Question number 99. The continuous burning of fire is represented in fire tetrahedron by addition of answer chain reaction. Question number 100. A fire has broken out on the stern of your vessel. You should maneuver your vessel so the wind answer comes over the bow. Question number 101. A fire is said to be under control when answer no smoke is seen. Question number 102. An aluminium powder fire is classified as class. Answer class D. Question number 103. What is fuel's role in making a fire? Answer. It is the combustible material that burns. Question number 104. A fire starts in a switchboard due to a short circuit. This is which class of fire? Answer class C. Question number 105. The primary function of a fire door is to save exit in case of fire. Answer true. Question number 106. A portable dry chemical fire extinguisher discharges by. Answer. Pressure from a small CO2 cartridge on the extinguisher. Question number 107. Water fog is an effective firefighting agent because it, answer, has a great cooling ability. Question number 108. When combating a class C fire, which of the following dangers may be present? Answer. Toxic fumes from burning insulation or electric shock. Question number 109. A spanner is a, answer, special wrench for the couplings in a fire hose line. Question number 110. Class B fire extinguishers are designed to be used on combustible metals. Answer false. Question number 111. Class 1 watertight doors are, answer, hinged type. Question number 112. A fire in a fuel oil settling tank is a, answer, class B fire. Question number 113. The symbols for fire control plans are approved by which organization? Answer. International Maritime Organization. Question number 114. Which dangerous condition should be kept in mind after using a 6.8 kg CO2 fire extinguisher on a small oil fire on the engine room floor plates? Answer. Rekindling of the fire. Question number 115. Mechanical foam used for firefighting is produced by mechanically mixing and agitating. Answer. Foam chemical with air and water. Question number 116. The fire main system should be flushed with fresh water whenever possible to answer help destroy marine growth. Question number 117. If a fire ignites in the engine room as a result of a high pressure fuel oil leak, you should first answer shut off the fuel oil supply. Question number 118. If there has been a fire in a closed, unventilated compartment, it may be unsafe to enter because of answer a lack of oxygen. Question number 119. In pump rooms and pipe tunnels, flame-proof electric light fittings are generally fitted. This means that answer gas may enter, but even if an explosion takes place, the fitting is so strong that the explosion will be contained within it and which will not be blown out. Question number 120. Violent flames and heavy black smoke is typical of which sort of fire? Answer fuel oil fire. Question number 121. There is a correction here. Spelling. Question number 121. Principle of firefighting on board is A. Starving of fire, B. Cooling, C. Smoothing of fire. Answer D. All of the above. Question number 122. The ship is divided into many main vertical and horizontal zones by thermal and structure boundary. Answer to improve and contain fire safety. Question number 123. Fire may be spread by which means? A. Conduction of heat to adjacent surfaces. B. Direct radiation. C. Convection. Answer D. All of the above. Question 124. When an oil fire has been extinguished, the surface of the oil should be kept covered with foam to prevent answer air from contacting the oil vapors, permitting re-ignition. Question number 125. When approaching a fire from windward, you should shield firefighters from the fire by using answer low velocity fog. Question number 126. In the given below list, which gas has the widest flammable range? Answer ethylene. Question number 127. The spray of water in low velocity fog will have answer lesser range than high velocity fog. Question number 28. Correction. Number 128. In the event of a fire, the doors to a stair tower must be closed to prevent the spread of fire by answer convection. Question number 129. When the bypass valve of a self-contained breathing apparatus is opened, the mainline valve should be answer completely closed. Question number 130. You are in a tank wearing the self-contained breathing apparatus and you desire to return topside. How many tugs of the lifeline mean to take up the slack? Answer 3. Question number 131. A serious fire has been isolated in the engine room. You would answer spray cooling water on bulkheads of the adjacent compartments. Question number 132. You are tending the lifeline of a person who has entered a compartment wearing a breathing apparatus. How many tugs of the lifeline mean are you alright? Answer 1. Question number 133. Which of the listed classes of fires can best be extinguished with a water fog? Answer class A and B. Question number 134. Each sprinkler head must be capable of delivering water at a rate of 8 liter per meter per minute. Answer false. Question number 135. According to the regulations, what fire safety control feature is required in quick closing shut-off valves? Answer a fusible link. Question number 136. While inhaling, if carbon monoxide is present in the air, CO will mix with the blood first. Answer true. Question number 137. One advantage of the all-purpose nozzle is that it answer converts a stream of water into a fog. Question number 138. Emergency escape hatch is used to access and to escape during firefighting. Answer true. I'll read this question again. Emergency escape hatch is used to assess and to escape during firefighting. Answer true. Question number 139. The difference in water spray pattern between the high velocity tip and low velocity applicator used with the all-purpose nozzle is due to answer the method of breaking up the water stream. Question number 140. What do we call the temperature at which a material produces enough flammable vapor for it to flash if exposed to an ignition source? Answer: flash point. Question number 141. The fixed CO2 fire extinguishing system has been activated to extinguish a large engine room bilge fire. What is the best time to vent the combustible products from engine room? Answer: after the metal surfaces have cooled down. Question number 142. Non-combustible material is the material which neither burns nor gives off flammable vapors in sufficient quantity for self-ignition when heated to approximately 700 degrees Celsius. Answer: false. Question number 143. What is not a characteristic of a carbon dioxide fire extinguishing agent? Answer: effective even if ventilation is not shut down. Question number 144. What is an advantage of water fog or water spray over a straight stream of water in fighting an oil fire? A. It has a smoothing effect on the fire. B. It requires less water to remove the same amount of heat. C. It gives more protection to firefighting personnel. Answer: D. All of the above. Question number 145. When the handle of an all-purpose nozzle is in the forward position, the nozzle will, answer, shut off the water. Question number 146. What is the first thing you should do in the case of a fire if you cannot reach a fire extinguisher? Answer: evacuate the room immediately. Question number 147. The spread of fire is not prevented by, answer, removing smoke and toxic gases by ensuring adequate ventilation. Question number 148. Fire alarm system work on, answer, 24 volt DC. Question number 149. To prevent the spread of fire by conduction, you should, answer, cool the bulkheads around the fire. Question number 150. For fire investigation, the points to be considered: A. How the fire was discovered. B. Time at which fire alarm was sounded. C. The position and nature of fire. Answer: D. All of the above. Question number 151. Water fog from an all-purpose nozzle may be used to, answer, eliminate smoke from a compartment. Question number 152. Firefighting comprises of what all events on board? What all events on board? Answer: Find, alarm, isolate and extinguish. Question number 153. To get low velocity fog from an all-purpose nozzle, you would answer attach an applicator to the nozzle in place of the bronze nozzle tip. Question number 154. Which type of portable fire extinguishers are designed for use on electrical fires? Answer dry chemical and carbon dioxide. Your first choice should be carbon dioxide. If it is not available, then dry chemical. Question number 155. The most likely location for a liquid cargo fire to occur on a tanker would be? Answer in the pump room. That is where maximum of hydrocarbon vapors present, in the pump room. Question number 156. For B class bulkheads, the duration of not exceeding the temperature above 200 degrees Celsius in 30 minutes. Answer false. Question number 157. When fighting a fire in an enclosed space, the host team should crouch as low as possible to, answer, allow the heat and steam to pass overhead. Question number 158. As per regulation, how many portable fire extinguishers should be there on board? Answer 5. Question number 159. What is the most vulnerable part of the fire main system? Answer the fire hose. Question number 160. When human body exposed to carbon monoxide, more oxygen goes to blood. Answer false. Question number 161. A fire hose has a, answer, male coupling at the nozzle end and a female coupling at the hydrant end. Question number 162. A fire hose kept in box should have a wrench and, answer, all-purpose nozzle. Question number 163. Which extinguishing agent will absorb the most heat? Answer water. Question number 164. The spreading of fire is the result of heat being carried through a vessel's ventilation system. Is an example of heat transfer by, answer, convection. Question number 165. An extinguishing agent which effectively cools, dilutes combustible vapors, removes oxygen and provides a heat and smoke screen is, answer, water fog. Question number 166. Is charcoal the product of dry distillation? Answer yes. Question number 167. Which extinguishing agent is best for use on a magnesium fire? Answer sand. Remember, magnesium is a metal. The recommended fire agent is DCP. But here in the choice, sand was there. So sand also you can use. Question number 168. There are two disadvantages to CO2 when used as a total flooding firefighting agent. One of them is extinguishing concentrations will not support human life, and answer, the lack of cooling effect on heated materials. Question number 169. When compared to low expansion foam, a high expansion foam will, answer, be lighter. Question number 170. Flammable materials kept in a store that can cause fire. A. Paints and varnishes. B. Cleaning fluids and thinners. Answer, C. Both A and B. Question number 171. When compared to a high expansion foam, a low expansion foam will, answer, not cling to vertical surfaces. Question number 172. Which of the following statements does not apply to fire doors in main vertical zone bulkheads and stairway enclosures in passenger ships? Answer, if normally locked, they do not have to be self-closing. Question number 173. The best method of applying foam to a fire is to, answer, flow the foam down a nearby vertical surface. Question number 174. For which of the listed classes of fire combinations would carbon dioxide be most suitable as the fire extinguishing agent? Answer, class B and class C. Question number 175. One of the limitations of foam as an extinguishing agent is that foam, answer, conducts electricity. Question number 176. The operating temperature range of green color coated joint bulbs in sprinkler system is dash Celsius. Answer, 93 degrees. Question number 177. What is the best conductor of electricity? Answer, salt water. Question number 178. Which firefighting equipment is most efficient and with least side effects in case of a large fire in the engine room? Answer, water hypermist system. Question number 179. You should be most concerned about a possible explosion or fire in fuel tanks. Answer, during fueling when the fuel first strikes the tank bottom. Question number 180. Uptake fire occurs in, answer, economy is there. Question number 181. During an investigation of the fire, what points will be considered? A. How fire was discovered. B. When fire is reported and alarm sounded. C. Communication between the teams. Answer D, all of the above. Question number 182. Auto ignition is. Answer: the ignition of flammable material without the assistance of an external source of ignition. Question number 183. Reason why CO2 type fire extinguishers is preferred over others because. Answer: do less damage than others. Question number 184. A fixed carbon dioxide extinguishing system for a machinery space designed without a stop valve in the line leading to the protected space is actuated by. Answer: one control. Question number 185. Maximum weight of portable fire extinguisher is. Answer: 23 kg. Question number 186. After extinguishing a paint clocker fire using the fixed CO2 system, the next action is to have the space. Answer: left closed with vents off until all boundaries are cool. Question number 187. During fire on board, the communication is to be. Answer: concise, precise, and short. Question number 188. A cabinet or space containing the controls or valves for the fixed firefighting system must be. Answer: posted with instructions on the operation of the system. Question number 189. The outlet at a fire hydrant may be positioned anywhere from horizontal to pointing. Answer: vertically downward. Question number 190. A MODU helicopter landing deck on which fueling operations are conducted must have a fire protection system that is capable of discharging at 100 psi pressure a foam spray of at least. Answer: 50 gallons per minute. MODU means mobile offshore drilling unit. Question number 191. Coal can have the spontaneous ignition. Answer: true. Question number 192. A fire is discovered in the bow of your vessel while making way. The wind is from ahead at 35 knots. You should. Answer: change course and put the stern to the wind. Question number 193. What is the maximum allowable oxygen content within the ship's cargo tanks, inert gas piping, and the vapor recovery system? Answer: 8%. Question number 194. A carbon dioxide fire extinguisher is required to be recharged if the weight loss exceeds what percentage of the weight of the charge? In brackets, small passenger vessel regulations. Answer is 10%. Question number 195. If a portable carbon dioxide fire extinguisher has been partially discharged, It should be immediately, answer, tagged empty and stored separately from charged extinguishers. Question number 196. According to the chemical data guide, which extinguishing agent is not recommended for use on a retinol fire? Answer, water spray. Question number 197. If heavy smoke is coming from the paint locker, the first firefighting response should be to, answer, secure the ventilation. Question number 198. A deck stored 40-foot container is giving off smoke and one end is discolored from heat. The cargo is valuable and easily damaged by water. You want to extinguish the fire without further damage if possible. What action should you take? Answer, pierce the container and discharge 6 or more portable CO2s, then add more CO2 hourly. So by now you will be knowing all the container ship, they are provided with a metal rod to pierce the container, which is used for firefighting. Question number 199. A 1200 liters Kaba bottle duration is 30 minutes. Here also there is a correction in spelling. I will correct it. Question 199. A 1200 liters SCBA bottle duration is, answer, 30 minutes. At 20 minutes you get alarm. Question number 200. Any extinguishing agent used on a class C fire must have which important property? Answer, non-conductivity. Question number 201. What is the best firefighting medium on a gas tanker? Answer, DCP. Question number 202. A carbon dioxide fire extinguisher should be recharged. Answer, whenever it is below its required weight. Question number 203. The main advantage of steady steam water on a class A fire is that it, answer, breaks up and cools the fire. Question number 204. A fire starts in a switchboard due to a short circuit. This is which class of fire? Answer, class C. Question number 205. The capacity of a fire pump on a cargo ship should not be more than 180 meter cube per hour. Answer, true. Question number 206. Why is it important that you tend the nozzle when you have finished using a fire extinguisher containing carbon dioxide? Answer, because the nozzle gets extremely cold, making it impossible to use. Question number 207. As per regulations, the minimum length of a lifeline should be. Answer 30 meters. Question number 208. You should avoid using dash fire extinguishers when extinguishing a fire in a confined space. Answer dry powder fire extinguishers. Question number 209. In a container ship, if the cargo hold is designed to carry dangerous goods, it should have dash firefighting system. Answer sprinkler and CO2 system. Question number 210. Which type of fire extinguisher do you use to fight an electrical fire if a carbon dioxide extinguisher is unavailable? Answer dry powder. Question number 211. If you are on watch at night in port and discover a fire in number 1 hatch, what should be your first action? Answer sound the general alarm. Question number 212. Which instrument is suitable for determining the presence of explosive concentrations of fuel oil vapors in tanks? Answer a combustible gas indicator. Question 213. Firefighting with foam is only effective when the foam, answer, completely covers the top of the burning liquid. Question number 214. What is least likely to cause ignition of fuel vapors? Answer explosion proof lights. Question number 215. Hydrostatic test of CO2 lines is carried out every 10 years. Answer true. Question number 216. To remedy a leaking fire hose connection at the hydrant, secure the valve and, answer, replace the gasket in the male coupling. Question number 217. Fire in an engine compartment is best extinguished with carbon dioxide gas and by, answer, completely closing the compartment. Question 218. Which of the following statements is false concerning the proper procedure in handling a fire hose? Answer use of a spanner wrench when attaching nozzles or additional lengths of hose is always critical. Question number 219. Which type of fire extinguisher is hot to recharge on board? Answer CO2. Question number 220. The canvas covering a fire hose is called the, answer, jacket. Question number 221. Before initiating the engine room fixed CO2 system to extinguish a major uncontrolled fire, What will be the first step towards it? Answer: evacuate all engine room personnel. Question number 222. The primary danger in helicopter fires is? Answer: burning jet fuel running onto quarters or other areas. Question number 223. Which toxic gas is a product of incomplete combustion and is often present when a fire burns in a closed compartment? Answer: carbon monoxide. Question number 224. A fire in the galley always poses the additional threat of? Answer: a grease fire in the ventilation system. Question number 225. A hand portable CO2 fire extinguisher is effective in burning oil only. Answer: if applied promptly. Question number 226. When fighting an oil or gasoline fire in the bilge, which of the following should not be used? Answer: solid stream water nozzle. Question number 227. In cargo ships, the diameter of fire main need to be sufficient for the discharge of dash with two pumps simultaneously delivering through nozzles. Answer: 140 meter cube per hour. Question number 228. Which statement is true about firefighting foam? Answer: foam sets up a vapor barrier over a flammable liquid, preventing flammable gases from rising. Question number 229. Foam extinguishers are checked by authorized shore persons every 5 years. Answer: false. Question number 230. The preferred agent used in fighting a helicopter crash fire is? Answer: foam. Question number 231. Spontaneous combustion is caused by? Answer: chemical action with the substance. Question number 232. 1 gallon of high expansion foam solution will produce? Answer: 5 to 1000 gallons of foam. I read this question again. 232. 1 gallon of high expansion foam solution will produce? Answer: 500 to 1000 gallons of foam. Question number 233. The maximum distance between center to center of heat detectors is 10 meter. Answer: false. Question number 234. Which type of portable fire extinguisher is best suited for putting out a class D fire? Answer: dry powder. Question number 235. Which is the following is specially dedicated to receive shore supplied water? Answer: international shore connection. Question number 236. An advantage of an ABC dry chemical over a carbon dioxide extinguisher is: answer: the multi-purpose extinguishing ability. Question number 237. The longer an oil fire is permitted to burn, the answer: harder is to extinguish. Question number 238. Which statement is true concerning carbon dioxide? Answer: it is an inert gas. Question number 239. Which of the following is not required to be part of vessel's fire control plan? Answer: ventilation fan capacity. Question number 240. Which danger exists to people when CO2 is discharged into a small enclosed space? Answer: respiratory arrest. Question number 241. Oily rack stored in a pail or pile that is open to the atmosphere or a hazard because they may: answer: spontaneously heat and catch fire. In some questions you will come across this pail. Pail means bucket. Pile we know. Pile. Okay. So either one of these words will appear. For both the answer is same. Question number 242. Sprinkler main line is connected to the main seawater line. Answer: true. Question number 243. Fires of which class would most likely occur in the engine room of a ship? Answer: classes B and C. Question number 244. A specific document which identifies a chemical and lists its physical properties, health hazards, required controls, firefighting procedures, cleanup methods, waste disposal, and the safe handling is commonly called as answer: material safety data sheet, MSDS. There is also another topic on first aid in MSDS. Question number 245. A class B fire is most successfully fought by: answer: preventing oxygen from reaching the burning material. Question number 246. What is the primary hazard other than fire damage associated with a class C fire? Answer: electrocution or shock. Question number 247. A fire hose with the nozzle attached must be connected to each hydrant except when exposed to heavy weather or when the answer fire hose might be damaged by cargo operations. Question number 248. In a mixture of flammable vapor and air, if there is too much vapor and not enough air to support combustion, we say the mixture is answer too rich. Question number 249. The required number and type of hand portable fire extinguisher for staterooms on cargo vessels is answer none required. Stateroom means cabins. In the cabin, you don't need any fire extinguisher. Question number 250. If you were put in charge of a fire team, what is the minimum number of men wearing BA sets, breathing apparatus sets, that you would allow to enter a smoke-filled compartment? Answer 2 men. Question number 251. The state of charge of a stored pressure type of dry chemical fire extinguisher can be readily determined by answer visual inspection of the pressure gauge. Question number 252. Why should a CO2 extinguisher be used with caution in confined areas? Answer: it will displace the air and reduce the amount of oxygen available. Question number 253. Each person on the rig has a designated area to proceed to in the event of a fire. This assignment is shown clearly on the rig's answer muster list. In brackets station bill. Muster list in brackets station bill. Question number 254. Onboard fire is done by A. Cooling, B. Smoothing in brackets cut off oxygen, C. Starvation in brackets remove burning material like fuel. Answer D. All of the above. Question number 255. An initial attempt to extinguish a galley grease fire may be made by answer the range hood extinguishing system. Question number 256. When using a CO2 type fire extinguisher, what is the way to use it? Answer: aim low, pointing the nozzle or hose at the base of the fire and sweep from side to side. Question number 257. Control valves for a CO2 fire extinguishing system may be located within the protected space when answer the CO2 cylinders are also in the space. Question number 258. Aqueous film forming foam, also called as all purposes foam. Answer: true. Question number 259. The advantage of using a dry chemical fire extinguishing agent is answer its good stability and non-toxicity. Question number 260. What is an automated release unit? Within brackets DRU. Answer: an electromagnetic device which keep the door open until no fire is there. Question number 261. Which of the listed firefighting agents and associated applications provide the largest shielding effect for the firefighter? Answer: low velocity water fog. Question number 262. To fight a class C fire, in brackets electrical fire, you should use carbon dioxide or, answer, dry chemical. You should not use water or foam for electrical fire. Question number 263. Immediately after a class B fire has been extinguished by the use of foam, crew should, answer, be careful not to disturb the foam blanket. Question number 264. On a fire patrol at night, you see smoke coming from a closed cabin door. What action should you make? Correction, should you take? Answer: activate the nearest fire alarm button and advise bridge of the location of the fire. Question number 265. Fires which occur in energized electrical equipment such as switchboard insulation are class, answer, C. Question number 266. You are carrying out a search in a smoke-filled compartment wearing breathing apparatus, BA. At what stage should you start to make your way out of the compartment? Answer: wait until the BA set warning whistle sounds. So it has, SCBA has got 30 minutes of air. At 20 minutes you will get the warning whistle. Question number 267. When a ship's low pressure CO2 fixed fire extinguishing system is activated from a remote location, what determines the quantity of CO2 being released into a selected space? Answer: a pneumatic timer controls each discharge selector valve and is preset for each space. Question number 268. It is necessary to secure the forced ventilation to a compartment where there is a fire to, answer, prevent additional oxygen from reaching the fire. Question number 269. What is the maximum oxygen content below which flaming combustion will no longer occur? Answer: 15 degree Celsius, that is. Question number 270. What is the minimum number of portable fire extinguishers that must be carried on ships of 100 GT and above? Answer: 5. 5 numbers. Question number 271. The most likely location for a liquid cargo fire to occur on a tanker would be, answer, pump room. In an oil tanker, that is where maximum hydrocarbon vapors are present. Question number 272. The sprinkler heads are spaced not more than 4 meters apart and 2 meters from any bulkhead or part of the ship side, which forms a boundary of the protected space. Answer: true. Question number 273. Fire plan location is A. Bridge, B. Port and starboard side entrance, C. Midships. Answer D. All of the above. Question number 274. When fighting galley fire caused by the cooking oil, which extinguisher you should not use? Answer: water and DCP both. Question number 275. In which language fire control plan is written on board? Answer: English. Question number 276. Inert gas system shall be capable of maintaining oxygen level in cargo tanks to below, answer, 8% by volume. Question number 277. Minimum capacity of emergency fire pump is, answer, 25 cubic meter per hour. Question number 278. Sliding type watertight door below the waterline should be able to close manually in how many seconds? Answer: 60 to 90 seconds. Question number 279. Which ship shall be provided with international shore connection for supply of water as extinguishing agent? Answer: all ship of 500 GRT and above. Question number 280. What quantity of reserve fuel is to be available for diesel driven fire pumps outside of the main machinery space? Answer: sufficient amount for 15 hours operation at full capacity. Question number 281. Electricity switchboard fire with the power on, what type of extinguisher to be used? Answer: carbon dioxide. Question number 282. In cargo ship, capacity of fire pump need not exceed 180 cubic meter per hour. Answer: true. Question number 283. What is the important characteristic of the extinguishing agent in fighting class C fire? Answer: electrical non-conductivity. Question number 284. Class B bulkheads are classified as B15/B0. Answer: true. Question number 285. In firefighting, what does the term boundary starvation refers to? Answer: removing the fuel from the boundary of a fire to stop it spreading further. Question number 286. The risk of fire and explosion is dash in tankers. Answer: very high. Question number 287. There are two disadvantages of CO2 when used as a total flooding firefighting agent. One of them is extinguishing concentration will not support human life, and answer, the lack of cooling effect on heated materials. Question number 288. Recharging a previously used cartridge operated dry chemical extinguisher is accompanied by, answer, replacing the propellant cartridge and refilling with powder. Question number 289. Fire is the process of combustion accompanied by the rapid release of heat, and answer, light. Question number 290. When using foam type of fire extinguisher on the fire in the engine room, best way is, answer, direct the foam on the bulkhead behind the fire and let it slowly spread over the fire. Question number 291. Class K fire involves high fatty oils. Answer, true. Question number 292. Minimum time duration self-contained breathing apparatus available should last. Answer, 20 minutes. Question number 293. On the all-purpose nozzle, the position of valve when the handle is all the way forward is, answer, shut. Question number 294. Along with fixed firefighting system on tanker vessel, what else is special to them? Answer, lifeboat provided with sprinkler system. Question number 295. Full form of R-AFF is aqueous film forming foam. Answer, true. Question number 296. Why is carbon dioxide better than dry chemical for firefighting a class C in brackets electrical fire? Answer, dry chemical leaves residue, whereas carbon dioxide do not leave any residue. Question number 297. Foam fixed firefighting system is used in which type of vessel? Answer, oil tanker on the cargo area. Question number 298. Proper use of fire extinguisher. Answer, pull, aim, squeeze, sweep. Question number 299. Dry chemical powder extinguisher system is, answer, flame inhibitor. Question number 300. The extinguishing agent most likely to allow re-ignition of a fire is, answer, carbon dioxide. You can support me with any amount you feel appreciable using my QR code. Also, you can use the super thanks icon to donate. This is the book I published for nautical students and nautical officers. The title is BSc Nautical Science Students Handbook GMDSS, available in Amazon Kindle store for 100 rupees. For those appearing for GMDS's examination, there are 19 videos in this YouTube. All the practical equipments, step by step operating procedure, you can make use of them. These are all the advertisements of Pondicherry Maritime Academy. I strongly recommend you all go to Pondicherry and join Pondicherry Maritime Academy and do the courses. The reason being, all the faculty, the chief engineers masters are sailing masters and chief engineers. During vacation they come and take classes, and the instructors here, they have years of experience. They can all teach you, train you very well. Thank you. You may please click like, bell buttons and subscribe, and you must give comments in the YouTube. Also my WhatsApp number is here. You can give your response in this also. Thank you until next video.